Hello everyone, welcome to the video project number 23. The first question for me is find a power series representation for 1 divided by x plus 2. It reminds me about the geometric series formulas, which is these two forms. And I'm going to choose the first one to solve this problem. The solution for this problem is just to plug in the first one formulas by making the question into the form of the a divided by 1 minus r. Therefore, we need to make 1 divided by 2 plus x in the form of 1 divided by 1 minus bracket minus 1 plus x. Minus x, which is also equals to this one. Plugging this part into this part, and we can find out a equals to 1 and r equals to minus 1 minus x. And after this, we just simply plugging everything into the form of this part. Then we got the answers in this forms. Or this is a solution for the first question. Then when it comes to the second questions, it's a true or false questions. It requires me to find the power series representation for tangent powered by -1 x, and I just rewrite the questions into the following one, because by doing so we can prove it is a true or not. To solve this problem, we need the formulas 1 divided by 1 minus x equals 1 plus x squared plus x cubic plus equals to the summation of this one. And I find that the arctangent x can be written in this form because the derivatives of arctangent x equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared perfectly, and by integrate by integrate this part, this equals to the arctangent x, and we want to plug into the form of 1 divided by 1 minus x. So we just make a little bit change, which is equals to integration of 1 divided by 1 minus bracket negative x squared dx. Then we just expand it as the formula did, which is integration of 1 plus minus x squared plus minus x squared plus negative x squared cubic plus and according to this trend we can make it the summation into this form. After all of these, all the things we just need to do is just integrate every single part. Then we get c plus x minus x cubic divided by 3 plus x powered by 5 divided by 5 minus x powered by 7 divided by 7 plus Then I find that we can make the following steps into this one by conclude everything above into this form, c plus summation of from n equals to 0 to infinity, and -1 powered by n divided by 2n plus 1 times x powered by 2n plus 1. Now we just need to know what is the value of c. And my solution is just to make x equal to 0 and plug x into the arctangent 0 and equals to c. And because arctangent 0 equals to 0, therefore c equals to 0. And because we multiply x right here, so that is why c equals to 0, because c plus 0 equals c, and c equals and arctangent 0 is 0, so c is 0. Then we come to the solutions. Arctangent x equals to the final answers in this form. So therefore, we did get the power series of arctangent x. Therefore, for this true and false problems, we did find a power series representation for arctangent x, and therefore the second question is false.